light spectra.
Can you tell what colors or wavelengths are produced by a light source? Maybe not looking at it with the naked eye, but with the right tool, the colors can be separated and examined.
You see, Isaac Newton, the guy who explained gravity, looked at sunlight through a prism to separate the light into the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet.
They are part of the electromagnetic spectrum, like radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays.
We can see what colors a source is producing.
So why don't we check out a few different light sources and see how the colors differ?
To do this, we'll need to make an instrument called a spectroscope. We'll need a cardboard tube, aluminum foil, and a diffraction grating from the OSA Optics Discovery Kit. If you don't have a diffraction grating, a CD will work just fine. You need the kind of CD that you can record on. If you use a CD, you'll need a pair of scissors to scrape off the label, and you'll need tape to take off the shiny coating. You can cut the clear CD with scissors to fit the end of the tube. First thing we'll need to do is take the cardboard tube and cover it with aluminum foil and secure it with a rubber band.
And then, with a sharp knife, be very careful. Make a small slit in the center of the foil, about 1 centimeter long. You also have to choose a few different light sources to examine. Today, we have an incandescent and fluorescent light bulb.
Look through the grating at any light source in the room. Make sure that the line is vertical and the colors are to either side. If the colors are above or below, turn the diffraction grating.
Okay, so let's take a look at our light sources. Let's start with the incandescent light bulb. Point the slit directly at the light. Look through the diffraction grating. What do you see?
I see a white light filling the slit and colors on either side with all the colors of the rainbow, red to violet.
Cool. Now let's look at a fluorescent light bulb. What do you see?
Cool. There's still white light filling the slit, but on either side, it's not a full rainbow. There are colors missing.
That's funny. The two bulbs give off a white light, but their light spectra are different. I guess you can't see a light spectrum with the naked eye.
I wonder what a TV screen would look like. Or what colors are given off by a street lamp. Or that exit sign over there.
Well, we can totally check that out. A spectroscope can look at all sorts of different light sources. But never look into the sun or into a laser, because it could blind you.
Yeah. Spectroscopy, or the study of light, has a lot of interesting applications. The spectrum of light emitted, transmitted, or reflected by an object has a lot of information about what the object is made of.
Like at a crime scene, when a detective is trying to identify an unknown substance, a sample is taken to the lab and spectroscopy is used to figure out what it is.
Spectroscopy is used in everything from diagnosing crop diseases to finding out how much oxygen is dissolved in water to matching paint colors.
It's used by scientists and engineers in biology, environmental science, chemistry, geology, lighting, and more. And it all starts with something like this. I'm Catherine.
And I'm Blaine.
And this was Exploring Light Spectra.